Hello guys, welcome back to ReviewRounder Tech YouTube channel. After doing LG 32 LG616D, India's only smart TV with WebOS review, today I have come up with another WebOS smart TV, that is LG 49LJ554T. The product was sponsored by ECT, the biggest electronic and home appliance showroom in Vijayawada. It is the 49-inch smart TV from LG. In this video, I am going to detail the overview, features and options of this smart TV. So, this is the front view of LG Smart TV with the LG brand logo in the bottom center. Speaking about the key features of this smart TV, it has got an IPS panel, WebOS, single click access, video calling, music player and expandable memory. IPS panel. Using IPS panel, LED screen gives you a clearer and more consistent vision. WebOS. Using WebOS launcher bar, you can dive into limitless premium content from all of the most popular entertainment providers. Single access click. Single access click is nothing like by pressing 0 continuously. You can create shortcut to key from 1 to 9. Miracast. Wi-Fi Alliance certified Miracast allows you to enjoy easy and fast connecting among TV, smartphones and tablets without wires, enabling easy transfer and sharing of your digital contents right on the TV screen. Expandable memory. This 49-inch smart TV has built-in internal memory as well as you can plug your USB and enjoy unlimited memory. These are the basic key features of LG 49LJ554T. Now, let us quickly check out its specs and move further to the usage and performance. It has 20-watt speaker output, 1920 by 1080 Full HD to watch Blu-ray movies at their highest level of detail. The refresh rate is 50 Hz and it supports 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB port to connect the drives. As I have showed basic usage of its features in LG 32 LG616D, now I will show the options in LG Content Store and its usage, and later on will do an in-depth review. Let me connect it to Wi-Fi by using hotspot of my phone. Yes, I have connected. Firstly, I will peel off this info sticker and show you the basic settings of it. Picture mode. Here in this picture mode, you can select the mode as per your wish. Modes available are Vivid, Standard, Auto Power Save, Cinema, Cricket, Game, Expert in Bright Room, Expert in Dark Room. You can also customize the settings by using these features. Sound. You can set up the audio output in Standard, Cinema, Clear Voice, Cricket, Music and Game. You can also balance and customize Equalizer, Program Tuner, Manager and Advisor, where I will show up these in in-depth review. Network. These are the connectivity options. Talking about the general settings, you have here language, location, time and date, time, etc. Here in this language you can set up or you can customize it as it has got 25 languages support. In Eco mode you can customize to reduce energy consumption. Let us see the About TV option and see the TV information. So it has got software version 3.60.15, TV info, customer service, user agreements, legal notice and open source software notice information. Safety. These are all about safety locking features for programs, applications and input and reset password. Let us move to the LG Content Store. Yes, this is the LG Content Store. These are the inbuilt options: TV Cast, YouTube Kids, WWE, Smart IPTV, Games, etc. Now, let us launch the YouTube and see the performance of it. The video output and clarity and audio was good. We'll check the options of it. Oh, the smart TV got software update to 4.70.09. We'll skip this and do check the options now. Live TV, Netflix, YouTube, Yappy TV, Google Play Video, LG Content Store, HDMI, TV Cast, Amazon, Eros Now, Search, Web Browser, Music, Photos, Video, Recording, TV Schedule and many more. Let me use USB and play a video song. Yes, obviously the video and audio output was damn good. Also, finally, we'll play a song by using a browser. You can see the pointer here, which is useful for navigation. Let's see the ports of it. Here is the port for Ethernet cable. Normal dish cable slot, RCA provisions, HDMI and USB slots are equipped side to it. And here is the power in cable provision. Speaking about the remote, this is not a magic remote but have some direct access and navigation keys for Netflix, Amazon and LG Content Store. That's all about the initial impressions on LG 49LJ554T 49-inch Smart TV. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you have any query with regard to this video, kindly drop it in the comment section so that I can resolve your queries. Before signing off, kindly give your thumbs up if you liked the video or thumbs down if you didn't, and kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.